Buongiorno, today we are in Pompeiana, a beautiful village in the first countryside behind Santo Stefano in Riva Ligure. Today I want to show you a beautiful one-bedroom apartment, fully renovated, close to the heart of the village, with this fantastic view over the ocean. Welcome in this beautiful one-bedroom apartment. This is the living with a full equipped kitchen, double exposition, this is the first big terrace of the apartment with this open and beautiful view over the ocean and the greenery, and the connection to the living. On this side, the bedroom. Beautiful bedroom, cozy, with the exit on the second terrace, facing south. This is the second terrace, with another amazing view over the ocean, perfect to take the sun during the sunny day. This lovely apartment have another two amenities, beautiful and useful. A piece of garden, common with the other apartment, but useful if you have pets, and a little storage in the garage level. On this side, the connection to the bathroom. Small but fully equipped bathroom. I have just shown you this cozy one-bedroom apartment, 52 square meters, fully renovated, storage into the garage level, a piece of garden common with the other apartment, close to the center of Pompeiana, in the first countryside behind Santo Stefano and Riva Ligure, just 5 kilometers from the beaches. The asking price is €198,000.